Hey, how everybody doing this morning? I just came on because I'm finna start straightening up. I got some things I gotta do today. I don't know if you can hear the washing machine. I got some towels on now. I got these right over here to fold. I got another load over there to fold. I washed last night, but I didn't fold none, so I'm gonna be doing that today. And I'm looking at the news over there. See what's going on with this hurricane. But I thought it's supposed to be ending today, but oh, it's another one. Oh, okay, I didn't know that. Jose. Category 1. But it's not here though, is it? It's east of Bahamas. Okay. Lord, God bless them. But yeah, y'all, I'm gonna have to do all this today. Because today is what? Wednesday? Yeah. Because I don't be wanting to do no work on the weekend. So I'm going to do all this today. Fold clothes. Towels. I should be through after the towels. But I got to straighten up the living room. And I got to straighten up my room. So I don't have to cook because Jada said she wants a Crispitos. So I'm going to give her some Crispitos. So I don't have to cook. And it's rainy here. Yep, y'all, it's raining here. We're getting a little rain today, so I might as well. Can't go nowhere. It's raining out here. It's supposed to rain all day. See how wet it is? Can you see? Yeah. It's rainy today. Just got the yard mowed like 3 days ago, so the grass finna grow right back. So I'm gonna get everything done before Jada get out of school today. Then, oh yeah, I gotta make a list too. I need a couple things. We need some more soap. We need some more. I know we need some more soap and some washing powder, more washing powder. So I'm gonna have to go do that too. But let me get started on this. And that other basket over there. And I will be back, okay, y'all? I'm back, y'all. I'm taking me a break. I got all the clothes folded. Now I gotta put them up. There's some towels in the washing machine and some towels in the dryer. And I'm eating my breakfast, chocolate milk. Yep. I'm just gonna peel around the house today till I pick up Jada. And then I go to the store then. What they say, kill 2 birds with 1 stone. That's what I'm gonna do. Because I just need to pick up a couple things. Oh, this is chocolate milk, good. I like to do everything, so like on Friday and Saturday and Sunday, I won't have to do hardly nothing. Probably straighten up my room a little bit, you know, make up my bed, take a bath, that's it.
Now's the time for a better moment of proof. Ask your doctor about Victoza.
I would have been through faster, but my son had called from school.
It's about us for everyone. We are trying to build something that is uplifting and enriching for every person. We hope they leave at the end.
He still got some growing up to do.
Empowered to connect with their fellow human beings in a way they hadn't considered.
Well, he ain't nothing but, you know, he ain't number 18, so it's to be expected when them lies catch up with you. He told me he did something. He's supposed to be signing some paper. He's supposed to be signing like 2 weeks ago, but he didn't. We me show y'all my grandbaby pictures. Wait a minute. Let me show y'all my grandbaby pictures. Look at Deuce. Wait a minute. Yeah, this right. Look at Deuce right there. I gotta get a frame too. Yes, I gotta put this on top of my list today. I gotta get a frame for him. Ain't that so pretty, y'all? Look at him. He was 2 weeks. He was 2 weeks. I gotta get a frame today. That's the prettiest baby y'all done seen. That's the prettiest baby y'all done seen. And this him, he was 2 weeks. That's his mom and daddy right there. That's my son. Let's say he looked like me, but he looked like his daddy to me when he with his daddy. Let me see. Can y'all see it? Can you see it? Can you see it? Let me see. Yeah, you can see it better like that, can't you? Yeah, they took these pictures. They gave them to me Sunday. But I got to get a frame. I got to put that on top of my list. Frame for the baby picture. Let me let y'all look at him again. He's so cute. He's so cute. This granny man right here. This granny man. Yep. That's my baby. That's my baby. I'm gonna let y'all see this picture too that I got up. Let me see. No, it ain't that dusty. I'll be wiping my pictures down. That's me when I was kindergarten. My mama couldn't comb my hair, y'all. I was in the kindergarten right here. And I took this picture. Cause I think every year after that I wore glasses. And here go Jada right here. She was in a debutante last year. Well, 2016. And that's Jada. That's Jada right there. And this my boys when they were younger. This my boys when they were younger. Before Jada was born. Because they was 9 and I think Booker was 14 when Jada was born. Seth was 9. So they was like a little bit younger there. Because they 4 years apart.
There are more than 700,000 people in Georgia alone without power, and when you include all of the other states across the southeast who are in the dark, so to speak, still right now,
y'all.
that totals up to about 7.
They grow up so fast, don't they? I gotta straighten up this table too before I get up out of here and go in my room. This table got like pictures of them on there. Yeah. I still, ooh, that thing did so much damage, didn't it? Oh, he died. 3 people killed by falling tree damage in Georgia. Oh my God. Y'all, I hope everybody's safe. A million people throughout the state of Georgia are out of power.
And hopefully see the sun peek through for the first time in a few days. In Atlanta, I'm Janelle Klein reporting for the Weather Channel. A lot of people trying to get back to
when I'm out of power, I don't have nothing because I'm totally electric. When I'm out of power, when our lights go out, I can't do none. You can't have no heat or nothing because even my hot water heater is electric. And I know a lot of these folks like that too. That's why everybody really needs to invest in a generator. You know, for what it's worth. Me too. Because the wind can blow here sometime and the doggone lights go out. Last time my lights was out, I was out of lights for 2 days. I think I was on here then when my lights went out like that. And that last day, when I was finna go with my son, when we went to my son's house to spend the night, the lights finally came back on. And we ended up not spending the night. You know, we were so ready to be back home. And then I didn't know what was all on when the lights was, you know.
Charlotte, Memphis, and Raleigh. There's going to be some. I don't think they're going to be widespread, but keep in mind that some of these airports, especially Atlanta, you're playing catch up yesterday, so sometimes you'll have these residual delays.
Hey, y'all, I guess I'm going to put these clothes up and hang them up.
In the mid to upper 80s for the most part across Florida. Miami
The ones at the top I'm gonna have to put on the hanger. And I'm gonna have to put all these up over here. Yeah. Gotta do that. But I will be back. I will be back. Ooh, I am back. I am eating this leftover chicken and rice from Sunday. I had 2 more pieces of chicken up in there. This is lunch because that whatchamacallit one enough.
Are you sure you're not sending him mixed messages? Stop. It's not funny.
I had to put another chicken bouillon up in there because I put some water in it. Cause it was cold.
My reaction did make me feel like
And I didn't want to burn. Because I ain't had time to sit there and be watching it. I had to put up clothes while it warmed up. It's good too. All them seasonings set up in there. I should have put some sage, little sage up, just sprinkle a little sage up in there and see how it tastes. I'm gonna do that next time. I put some hot sauce in it too, y'all. That's why my nose don't went to running. I'm waiting on them tiles now to get out the dry so I can put them other tiles in now. I can fold them.
The text messages stopped. The call stopped.
Turn this TV down a little bit.
He didn't come by and do my lawn anymore. It was like he kind of vanished.
Y'all know I'm looking at ID. I don't know why I be looking at this. I'm gonna have to stop looking at it again. Because when I go looking at it like this all the time, I be going dreaming about stuff. It's hot. Get some of this chicken. Oh, it's pouring down outside, y'all. I mean, you feel so right. I don't wanna lie. The way you, before. So I'm leaving you the keys to my door. With every. It's that Kelly Price, y'all. Can't hide. It's hot. It's steaming hot, and I can taste the hot sauce. I guess it must. I know it hit Jacksonville, but I got a brother staying. You know, my stepbrother, but we don't really say step. My daddy, wife. We was raised up together. He my brother. Anyway, he stay in Jacksonville, and he ain't back away. So he go ride it out. But I'm looking here on this TV. Jacksonville had some damage. Lord. I know he's staying in a good damn neighborhood, but I don't think that count. I don't think no storm be caring about what kind of neighborhood you stay in. But he ain't go. He stay over there. He got like a lake over there by where he stay at, you know. I should say that to eat today when Jada eat her Crispito. But I find something to eat. I think it's still a little bit more, but all the chicken gone. Unless some of them broke off up in there or something. So I know I ain't leaving the house, y'all. I don't like driving in the rain, no way. People drive crazy in the rain. I ain't got time for none of that. Not none of it. There'll never be a Oh, let's see, can I get some of this chicken right here? Y'all see this thing? Since that was a good bite right there. Who I was looking at the other day? I was looking at D4. Now what it said? It said D what? It was D and it's something for L. D I can't think. DK, I think. DK for L. They got like 4,000 subscribers, I think. I think they're young. They're in their early 20s. Boyfriend and girlfriend. I don't know how I came across their channel. Because I ain't even really been looking at CJ So Cool no more. Because some of his stuff I can't kind of relate to, you know. Because he ain't my age, and you know, I don't know, I ain't into shoes and all that stuff, and you know. He had some guy on there the other day, I think I supposed to be knowing him. I don't know if he played football or something, but I didn't even know him. So I was like, I think he came back to do something, and I didn't even look at that video. Then that's when DK4L showed up. They seem like they pretty good. They got good head on them. You know what I'm saying? Because they building a house and everything. And then like, in the comments, you don't see a lot of hate comments and stuff up in their comments either when on their thing. I noticed that too out of a couple of few videos. I looked at more than a couple. Because I looked at the one in building the house. I looked at more than about 3. But they weren't no pranks though. I didn't see no pranks, but I know they do pranks too. But they vlog a lot. That's why I want to do more of too, vlogging. Yep, y'all, I want to do more vlogging. So, that's why I've been practicing and stuff. And keeping my stuff charged up. Most time when I grab my stuff, it be unplugged. You know, it takes some getting used to. Who I'm getting full, y'all.
I fell right back into his games and that made him feel
hot. Yeah. That's a wrap. I'm gonna check on these towels and I will be right back.